Let's face it, in today's world,
Yeah.
everyone's pressed for time.
Always busy.
You're busy.
Right.
Your team's busy.
Mm-hmm.
And nobody wants to sit through hours of tedious training.
Yep.
But what if there was a way to make training more efficient, ADD more engaging?
Ooh.
That's exactly where AI avatars are starting to make waves.
It's fascinating to see how technology is reshaping the way we learn and work.
Yeah.
We're seeing this firsthand with platforms like Speech, which uses AI avatars to create training and SOP videos.
Okay.
And the adoption rate is pretty remarkable, over 1 million users already.
1 million users.
Yeah.
Wow, that speaks volumes about the potential here.
Oh, sure.
So for someone who's hearing about this for the first time,
Right.
what's the core value proposition of using AI avatars in this way?
Imagine this.
Okay.
You need to train your team on a new process. Instead of scheduling a meeting or creating a lengthy document,
Right.
you simply type up the instructions, and Speech transforms it into a video featuring a lifelike AI avatar.
Interesting.
It's efficient, it's scalable, and it's surprisingly engaging.
Okay, that definitely sounds intriguing.
Yeah.
But wouldn't it be easier to just record myself doing the process?
Sure,
I mean, that seems pretty straightforward.
recording yourself can work, but think about the limitations.
Okay.
What if you need to update the training?
Right.
Re-recording can be time-consuming.
Sure.
And what about language barriers?
Yeah.
AI avatars offer a level of flexibility and scalability that traditional methods just can't match.
Right. I see your point.
Okay.
So beyond the initial wow factor,
Yeah.
where do you see AI avatars really shining in training and SOP creation?
There are a few key use cases where AI avatars really excel.
Okay.
First, think about onboarding new employees.
Oh, yeah.
You can create engaging welcome videos and interactive tutorials that help new hires get up to speed quickly.
That's a great point.
Yeah,
Onboarding can be such a crucial stage,
absolutely.
and a good first impression can make all the difference.
For sure. Another great use case is for complex procedures or technical tasks.
Yeah.
AI avatars can demonstrate steps visually, making it much easier for people to understand and follow along.
Especially if it involves things like operating machinery or handling sensitive materials.
Right.
A clear visual guide can be invaluable for safety and accuracy.
Exactly. And it's not just about the visuals.
Oh, wow.
AI avatars can deliver information in a consistent and engaging way, free from human error or fatigue.
That consistency is probably a game changer for things like standard operating procedures.
Definitely.
You want to ensure that everyone's following the same protocol
Right.
every single time.
Exactly.
And let's not forget about accessibility
But try it.
with AI avatars.
Yeah.
You can easily translate training materials into multiple languages, making your content accessible to a global audience.
For sure.
Okay, so we've touched on some compelling use cases.
Yeah.
Now, let's delve into the specific benefits. Speech advertises benefits, like efficient just-in-time training, better learner recall and engagement,
Yeah.
and optimizing training time.
Right.
What's the reality there?
Those are more than just marketing buzzwords.
Okay.
Think about it. In a fast-paced work environment,
Yeah.
you often need training that's available on demand.
Makes sense.
Speech lets you create and deploy training materials instantly, right when they're needed.
It's like having a training library at your fingertips.
Exactly.
No more scheduling delays or waiting for a trainer to become available.
Right.
And because AI avatars can present information in a visually engaging way,
Yeah.
they tend to grab people's attention and help them retain information better.
Mm-hmm.
Plus, you can add interactive elements like quizzes and assessments to reinforce learning.
Exactly.
So it's not just passively watching a video.
Nope.
It's about actively participating and testing your knowledge.
Precisely.
And this ties into the benefit of optimizing training time, both for the creator and the learner.
Right.
The creator can produce training materials much faster, and the learner gets to the point much quicker with a more engaging experience.
Exactly.
That sounds like a win-win for everyone involved.
Definitely.
It seems like AI avatars are addressing some real pain points in the world of training and SOPs.
They definitely are.
Yeah.
And what's exciting is that this is just the beginning.
Oh, wow.
As AI technology continues to evolve, we can expect even more innovative applications in the future.
All right, so we've established that AI avatars can be a powerful tool.
Yeah.
But what sets Speach apart? What makes their approach to AI avatars unique?
That's a great question.
Yeah.
One thing that stands out is their all-in-one platform approach.
Okay.
Speech provides all the tools you need for video creation from start to finish.
So you're telling me I can go from a script to a polished training video,
Yep.
all within the same platform.
Yep.
That's pretty convenient.
It is.
What else makes speech stand out in this crowded space?
Well, let's talk about their AI voice and subtitle capabilities.
Okay.
One of the challenges with traditional training videos is
Yeah.
that they can be difficult to translate and localize.
Right.
But with speech,
Yeah.
you can generate human-like voiceovers and subtitles in over 70 languages.
That's impressive.
It is.
So you're saying I could create a training video in English and then instantly have it available in Spanish, French, Mandarin, you name it.
Exactly.
That opens up a whole new world of possibilities.
It does.
It makes your content accessible to a global audience.
Yeah.
Which is essential in today's interconnected world.
For sure.
And it eliminates the need to hire expensive voice actors or translators.
Huge cost saver.
That's a huge time and cost saver.
Yeah.
But what about quality? Can these AI-generated voices really match the nuance and emotion of a human voice?
You might be surprised by how far AI voice technology has come.
Go.
Speech uses advanced neural networks to create voices that sound incredibly natural and expressive.
Wow, I'm really curious to hear this for myself.
I bet.
So beyond the voices,
Yeah.
what other features make Speech's AI avatars unique?
One area where they've really innovated is in customization.
Okay.
You have a lot of control over the appearance of your avatar. You can choose from a variety of different faces, hairstyles, and outfits.
Oh, cool.
You can even adjust their facial expressions and body language to convey specific emotions.
So it's not just a generic one-size-fits-all avatar.
Mhm.
You can actually create a character that aligns with your brand
Right.
or the tone of your training.
Exactly.
That's pretty cool.
It allows you to create a more personalized and engaging learning experience.
I like that.
And it helps to build a stronger connection between the learner and the material.
Now, I'm sure all of this sounds fantastic in theory,
Uh-huh.
but what about the practical side of things?
Okay.
How easy is it to actually use speech to create these AI avatar videos?
Right.
I'm imagining a steep learning curve and a lot of technical know-how. Actually, that's one of Speech's biggest strengths.
What is?
It's user-friendliness.
Okay.
They've designed the platform to be intuitive and easy to navigate, even for someone with no prior video editing experience.
So someone like me,
Yeah.
who's not exactly a tech whiz,
Sure.
could jump in and start creating videos without needing a degree in computer science.
Absolutely.
Wow.
You don't need any specialized skills or software.
That's great.
Speech guides you through the process step by step.
Okay, that definitely puts my mind at ease.
Good.
But even with an easy-to-use platform,
Right.
creating training content can still be time-consuming.
Yeah, it can be.
Are there any time-saving tricks or features that Speech offers?
Definitely.
Like what?
Speech has a library of pre-built templates and scenarios that you can customize to fit your needs.
Oh, nice.
They also have a feature called Smart Content,
Okay.
which uses AI to analyze your text and automatically suggest relevant visuals and animations. So it's like having a virtual assistant helping you create your training videos.
Exactly.
That's awesome.
It is.
But what about after the video is created?
Okay.
What about things like tracking and analytics?
That's another area where Speech excels.
Oh, okay.
They offer robust analytics that allow you to track engagement, completion rates, and quiz scores.
Got it.
This data gives you valuable insights into how people are interacting with your training content.
So you can see what's working, what's not,
Right.
and make adjustments as needed.
Exactly.
It's like having a feedback loop built right into the platform.
It is,
That's incredibly valuable for continuous improvement.
for sure.
You can identify knowledge gaps, track learner progress, and measure the overall effectiveness of your training programs.
Exactly.
It sounds like Speech has really thought of everything.
I think so.
But what about integration with other systems?
Okay.
We talked earlier about LMS and DMS.
Right.
How does Speech handle those?
Speech offers seamless integration with a wide range of existing systems,
Okay.
including learning management systems, LMS,
Yeah.
document management systems, DMS, and even popular communication platforms like Slack and Microsoft Teams.
For our listeners who might not be familiar with those acronyms,
Sure.
can you quickly explain what LMS and DMS are and why those integrations are so important?
A learning management system,
Okay.
or LMS,
Okay.
is essentially a platform for delivering and tracking online training.
Okay.
Many companies use them to manage their employee training programs.
Got it.
A document management system, or DMS, is a system for storing, managing, and tracking electronic documents.
So instead of having Speech exist in its own silo,
Right.
It can seamlessly connect with these other systems that businesses are already using.
Exactly.
This integration makes it much easier to share training materials, track learner progress, and manage your content all in one central location.
For sure.
Okay, I'm starting to see the big picture here.
Okay.
Speech is not just a video creation tool.
Nope.
It's a comprehensive platform for managing and delivering training and SOPs from start to finish.
You got it.
And they're constantly innovating and adding new features to make the process even smoother and more efficient.
Absolutely.
Now, I know we've been talking a lot about the technical side of things.
Yeah.
But what about the human element?
Okay.
How do actual users feel about speech?
Well, one of the best ways to gauge user satisfaction is to look at real-world examples and testimonials.
Yeah.
And Speech has a lot of those.
Okay.
Companies like Merck, Colgate, and Airbus have all reported positive results
Cool.
from using Speech for their training and SOPs.
So it's not just hype.
Yeah.
Real companies are seeing tangible benefits from using speech.
They are.
Do you have any specific examples?
Absolutely.
Okay.
Merck, the pharmaceutical company,
Yeah.
used Speech to create visual work instructions and training materials. This move helped them reduce errors, cut down on paper waste,
Nice.
and ultimately improve the quality of their training.
That makes a lot of sense.
Yeah.
In a field like pharmaceuticals,
Right.
accuracy is paramount.
Absolutely.
Any other success stories?
Another great example is Colgate.
Okay.
They were aiming to transition into a fully digital, paperless factory.
Wow.
And Speech was instrumental in making that happen.
So speech isn't limited to just training.
Nope.
It can also play a key role in broader operational efficiency initiatives.
Precisely.
By adopting speech for their SOPs and work instructions, Colgate streamlined processes and even reduced their environmental footprint.
Exactly.
It's about working smarter, not harder.
For sure.
And we can't forget about Airbus.
Right.
They use speech to enhance operational excellence and reduce costs. It seems like speech is making a real impact across a variety of industries.
It really is.
It really is.
Impressive to see how widely applicable this technology is. And the feedback has been consistently positive.
That's good.
For instance, a QA training manager at Merck said that Speech exceeded their expectations.
Okay.
Particularly in how it made work instructions visual and transformed their approach to employee training.
That's a powerful testimonial.
Yeah.
It sounds like speech is delivering on its promises.
It seems like it.
So what does this all mean for our listeners?
Right.
Why should they care about speech?
In today's rapidly evolving world,
Yeah.
embracing innovative technologies like Speech can empower individuals and organizations to enhance their training and operational processes.
Okay.
Think about the challenges you face in your own work.
Okay.
Are you struggling with inefficient training methods, inconsistent SOPs, or difficulty reaching a global audience? Speech might just hold the solutions you're looking for.
It's not just about keeping up with the times.
Yep.
It's about leveraging technology to achieve better outcomes.
For sure.
Efficiency, engagement, and ultimately a more effective and enjoyable learning experience.
Exactly.
Speech offers a compelling blend of these elements. Their AI-powered features streamline content creation,
Right.
while interactive elements enhance learner engagement.
Yeah.
And for those industries with strict regulation,
Yes.
their GXP compliance features offer peace of mind.
Definitely.
Plus, those unique features we discussed, like the AI voiceovers and detailed analytics,
Yeah.
really set them apart.
They do.
It makes you wonder how AI avatar-led training could enhance your own work or learning experiences.
It does.
Imagine creating engaging training content in a fraction of the time.
Yeah.
Or delivering consistent SOPs that are easy to understand and follow.
For sure.
It's definitely something to consider.
I think so.
And for those who are intrigued,
Yeah.
we encourage you to check out Speech for themselves.
Okay.
You can explore their website, watch demos,
Yeah.
and even try out the platform firsthand.
Definitely.
Who knows? You might just discover the future of training and SOPs.
That's a wrap on another deep dive.
Great.
We hope you found this exploration of speech insightful.
Yeah?
And maybe even sparked some ideas for how you can leverage the power of AI avatars in your own work.
Until next time, keep those brains engaged and stay curious.